my name is Sapphire. I'm going to give you a short and sweet little tutorial on how to make, or at least how I like making, my anime screenshots for my OCs. I think it's super fun and it's just like really fulfilling to like see them as an anime screenshot, you know? So basically once you have your piece, I get it on a canvas that's 19 by 20 by 1080, 72 DPI. That's kind of the resolution that I notice most animes are in, if that makes sense, you know? You can also just start on that size of canvas to make sure that like your photo and your layout is good. I kind of do this when I'm working on the piece already, so I didn't do it again, but like I like adding a chromatic aberration, which is you go into the effects and you split the color channels apart, and that basically creates like that little blue and red like outline you see there. I also like well, and of course it depends on what anime, but like I always like doing it this because it just kind of gets that vibe I'm going for. I take the whole picture and I duplicate it at a Gaussian blur of about 30, I don't know, is it 30%? I don't know what measurement's that in. And then I'll decrease the opacity to about 10%. You can give it like different effects like overlay or lighten or multiply just based on the vibe that you're going in the screenshot. This one I didn't do any of those effects because it was just nighttime and I already did a lot of the lighting and things like that as I was making the piece. And then I also noticed this, again, depends on what anime, but the older ones that I like watching, I can kind of see it sometimes where it's like the top, there's like this light blue, like fading screen up there. I also like doing this just because to me it kind of mimics like maybe watching it on a TV screen. Of course, whatever vibe you're going for, you know, you can change this color around. I put this one on screen. You can do it overlay, multiply, again, whatever vibe you're going for. And then the bottom on this one I darken just because it is nighttime in the scene. And final touches is just adding some text at the bottom there. If there's more than one character, I like saying like this character said this, kind of, you know what I mean? I'll put up an example. I did it like this because there's more than character and just so you know who's talking. The font and color, I think most animes have like a really basic font like Times New Roman or Helvetica. Helvetica is always a safe bet. Helvetica is everywhere. I like doing white text. I know if we're going more old school, a lot of them are yellow. And once that's all done, bada bing bada boom, you got your fake anime screenshot so you can pretend that your OCs have their own show. Alright, thanks. I'm going to be doing more art tutorials and stuff in art videos, I think. Also, I have some shorts that are having my OCs in them. I hope you can check them out. Oh, also I'm debuting in May and I'll start streaming games and stuff, so I hope I can see you then. You know, stay tuned for art stuff if you like that. Bye-bye.